Okay, welcome everyone. How are you today? How we had our what pub tour with Collin, right, last week, right? Okay, how many was here after was there on the walk? Okay, I think we have about 30 people over there. Not bad, not bad. Okay, so glad to see some of you all here. Okay, hi Carl, good to see you here. And then I met some of the people there. Okay, I met like Zhiqiang. I met a lot of people over there. Okay, so Steve, yes, I remember Steve. Okay, it's good to see some of the link, some of the faces that I see on Zoom, and then see them in real life. Okay, we will most likely have another one most likely next year, because this year almost at the end of the year already. Okay, so yes, good morning to everyone. Okay, so welcome to today's webinar. Today's event is open to the public. Okay, so we can say hello to the public too. Okay. Okay, yeah, let's get started. Okay, let's get started. First thing first, whatever I share with you all today is for education purpose, not advised to buy and sell. But yes, if you understand, this year we got no more preview. So actually, yeah, it's the preview for public will be next year. So for those people who want to join us in the preview next year, this is the link to join. Okay, CollinSeow.com/SWB. Okay, you can join us in this thing over here. Okay, I doubt for any public, but never mind. Okay, so let's look at the market first for the first maybe half an hour or so. We'll look at the market, and then later part we will look at individual stocks for the graduates. Okay, so now let's go to first the S&P 500. Of course, we always look at S&P 500 first. Okay, so let's look at a bit longer term first. Weekly charts. So weekly charts up or down? Weekly charts up or down? Well, this week very interesting week. Okay, so graduates, up or down? Weekly charts. Up after so long, right? Okay, since here. Okay, since here in February, wow, we wait until here, then we December. Finally, the candlestick has turned blue again. Yes or no? It has not turned blue. The previous time it turned blue was from red to blue was actually here in June. Okay, June 2020. Wow. Okay, 2020 June until now 2022. 2022 December, 2.5 years. Almost. Can you see that? Okay, from the first buy signal and then sell signal, and buy signal again was 2.5 years. Type yes if you can see that. Okay, this one weekly chart do not need teeth, right? Type yes if you got it. We do not need teeth. We just need the candle to change from red, blue, red to blue, blue to red. Got it? Okay, don't need teeth. Okay, so this one, so our view right now for long term has changed. Okay, no longer downtrend. Okay, it has changed to uptrend. We need one more thing, which is the trigger. Okay, the trigger is what? What is the trigger? Trigger is a break of the high of this candle. Yes or no? Type yes if you understand. You break of high of this candle, that would be the trigger. And then your holding period is how long? If you are buying this trigger, your holding period is how long? It's about 1 year. Okay, so this week, okay, this week, guys, this week, if it goes above 4,001, okay, above 4,001, that will be your trigger to long for 1 year. Type yes if you understand. Okay, this is the trigger for long for 1 year. Wait for 2.5 years already. If you didn't buy that time during here, now it's after 2.5 years later, buy again. Okay, so this is a holding period of about 1 year. Okay, type yes if you understand. By the way, please like and share the post for the members of public. Please like and share the post. No need to angry face. Lei Wa Oi. Okay, you can just leave. Okay, for the rest who like the post, Leo, all this, Leo, please like and share the post. Okay, good. Next, S&P 500. Next, Hai Yang. Why they join the Facebook Live and then they slide and then they don't leave? Okay, I just look at Dow Jones because I covered Dow Jones before. Yes or no? Okay, I covered Dow Jones before, and then you all can look at Dow Jones Industrial Average. Can you see that it has changed the trend? Like, yes, you can see I highlighted last week. Yes or no? Okay, I highlighted last week. The candlestick has changed from red to blue. Not only that, it has broken high. Yes or no? Oh, so can you see here? It's important that it breaks the previous week high. That yes, if you understand. Because if it's like that, right, and you just buy immediately, next week, just buy here, you may end up still down. Yes or no? So it is important that once you see the candlestick turn red, blue already, you must wait for it to break high. Okay, like this, candlestick turn blue, break high, trigger the high, then you enter. Yes or no? Okay, so candlestick for Dow Jones has changed. Okay. For Nasdaq, Nasdaq, the day I think it's Alex, right? Alex posted equal weighted. Nasdaq has actually changed trend already. Okay, equal weighted meaning to say that, do you know what is weighting? Okay, what's the weighting, right? For Nasdaq. Okay, for Nasdaq and for S&P 500 is what we call based on market cap weighted. So when it's market cap weighted, it is based on how big is the company, and market cap is based on price multiplied by shares. Okay, number of shares outstanding. Okay, so in the Nasdaq is now very, very heavily weighted on the few big shares. What are the few big shares that is heavily weighted in? Do you all know? Google, what else? Apple, obvious, all the very tech heavy on all these stocks. Okay, but if you equal weight them, all the stocks, then actually the index is much higher. Okay, so anyway, come back here. For Dow Jones is price weighted. Price weighted is not a very good way to look at the index, because price weighted is based on the how expensive the share, how high is the share price. And I covered last week already. Doesn't mean that the share price is high, means the company is big. Okay, doesn't mean that, right? Okay, like example, Apple is the share price is small, but because of the number of shares outstanding, it's a big company. Okay, so anyway, just to let you all know, Nasdaq still not yet changed trend. Okay, still mode bearish, but very soon, I think if Dow Jones has changed, if S&P has changed, eventually Nasdaq will follow through. Yes or no? Okay. So Nasdaq not yet changed. Okay, and if you go to daily charts, it has arrow with teeth, but no mode yet. Okay, the mode here is still the teeth here is still 0. That means no clear trend yet. One of the things you can actually look at is the component stocks. That means you go to Apple and see how is Apple doing. Okay, so if you see Apple, how is Apple doing, it will give you a feel of where the index is also heading. So Apple on the long-term chart, still not clear yet. There's no clear uptrend yet. But Apple actually is relatively strong compared to the rest of the market. Do you all agree? Okay, it didn't really drop a lot compared to some of the other tech stock. It didn't really drop a lot. So then from there, you can go to Microsoft and can see, okay, now what is Microsoft doing? We can see Microsoft breaking the resistance. Okay, breaking the resistance over here. And then we can see Google, what's happening. Okay, some of these stocks are really considered value stocks already. Do you all know what is the PE, forward PE for Google? I think that day I checked is 16 or 18. It's like 5-year low or something like that. Okay, so some of these growth stocks is considered value stocks right now. Okay, so if you ask me to buy Google at 16p or 18p compared to you buy some retail stocks at 16p, I will buy Google. Do you follow what I'm saying? If let's say you ask me buy Google compared to the banks, I will still buy Google. Okay, if the PE is the same. Make sense or not? Okay, because in terms of the growth is going to be much higher if the market turn around. Got it? Does it make sense? Okay, type yes if it makes sense. Okay, let's say example, retail want to scale. Okay, how can they cannot scale so fast, right? Okay, but tech want to scale very fast. Or let's say Shopify want to scale, it's going to be much faster. Or when it recover, it's going to be much faster than real shop. Okay, yes or no? Okay, so think about that. Okay, because if let's say the valuation is about the same, growth should command a higher valuation. Okay, so next, maybe just share a little bit of how to look at the market right now. Okay, there's a question over here, Sebastian. How to calculate for Google is your best friend. Okay, so it just say forward PE of Google. Then you can see the answer. I think it's 16 or 18. Okay, 18. Yes or no? Oh, Google is your best friend, right? Of course, you need to verify need to verify the answer. Okay, type yes if you understand how to find valuation of Google. Just Google Okay, of course, then you go and you can find out, because P also sometimes is forward P sometimes is different assumption, right? Yes or no? Okay, so just go in and see why is it like that. Okay, got it? Type yes if you understand. Okay, I believe there are free website that you can do, don't need to pay. Okay, so 15, 22, 18, 16, 18, 24, 21, 24, 31, 35, 18 again. Okay, so consider one of the cheapest for so many years. Okay, and Google also has a setup. What's Google setup? What setup? Weekly chart, daily chart. Daily chart. Maybe they don't have. Okay, we will look at the setup later. Okay. Okay, guys. Type good if you understand so far. Okay. So one of the question people ask is, Collin, why are you bullish next year? Okay, I thought we have recession coming. We have people cutting jobs. Next year, more jobs will likely be cut. People will spend less next year. Do you all agree? How many of you all read this? Okay, we are going to recession. We are jobs already a lot of jobs are cut. Likelihood maybe more jobs will be cut later. Okay, so people will have less money to spend. Yes or no? Okay, so I want to share with you all this again. It's a recap. I believe that some of y'all may hear until sian already, okay? But I just want to repeat this one more time, okay? The stock market, right, is not the economy. What we are trading, what are we trading? We are trading the stock market. We are not trading the economy. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, we are not trading the economy. Okay, so you can see here, this green line over here, this is the This over here is the, hang on, let's make it bigger. This over here is the economy. Yes or no? The economy is doing this, the green line, full recession, early recovery, full recovery, early recession. Yes or no? This is the stock market. Market bottom, bull market, market top, bear market. Do you all follow what I'm saying? So before, right, the economy are going into full recession, market already bottom. You can see now. This is an example, the economy is at the low here, right? Can you see? The economy is a low here. The stock market zoom up, already run already. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. By the time, right, you hear, oh, we are no longer in recession, we are going to recover already here. The stock market already run so long already. Yes or no? Do you all follow what I'm saying? Oh, by the time you say, oh, we are at the full recovery, okay, here, let's say full recovery, the stock market already start to turn already, turn down already. Yes or no? And then when we are early recession, of course, the market is down, don't need to say, right? Crowd. But so you have to understand, we are not trading the economy, we are trading the red line. Got it? We are trading the red line. So the stock market, right, is in front of the economy. Okay, it is not because of the economy, that's why the stock market dropped. Okay, people anticipate what's going to happen to the stock market. They anticipate, oh, recession is coming, but after recession will be better. They anticipate what's going to happen next. That's why they buy the stock market. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, do we need to go into recession for the market to bottom? No need, it can be like fear of recession also cause the market to go down. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Some countries will go into recession, some countries may not go to recession, but the stock market also go down. Do you follow what I'm saying? So understand that we are not trading the economy, okay? We are trading we are trading this. Got it? Okay, type yes if you understand. I sometimes feel like every week I repeat the same thing a bit. I a bit feel sorry for those people who come every week because every week I repeat the same thing. Okay, okay. I also mentioned this before. About the interest rate. Okay, I also mentioned this about the interest rate again. So do you all want me to repeat the interest rate again? Okay, because I'm very surprised, right? During the walk, people ask me about the interest rate again. Then I thought I repeat like 10 times already, but people still ask me again. Okay. Okay. So anyway, bottom line is go and watch the previous week webinar, okay, about the long-term trend and the interest rate and things like that. Okay, guys, type yes if you understand. Okay, guys, new people, please go and do some homework. Okay, but this one very long never cover already, like yes or no. Okay, so right now, if let's say risk on again, okay, then what are the things to look at? If the keyword is if, right? If risk on again, let's say example S&P. Let's understand one thing, guys. S&P 500, right, does not change. It's not happy change trend. Do you follow what I'm saying? When it is blue, it remains blue. Do you follow what I'm saying? It doesn't change blue, then next week red, then blue again, 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later, red again. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. So it doesn't change like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, then change, right? It will remain blue. Like example, in this is in 2011, it remained blue until it turned red. Okay, so it can rally 56% before it turned red. Even you go back in time to long time ago, it doesn't change so often. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Like yes, if you understand, it doesn't change so often. That means it won't change red to blue within 1 month. Yes or no? It won't happen. Okay. Unlikely. Okay. So if you understand this concept, then you know that this change from red to blue, blue to red is significant. It's not it always change. No, maybe next month change again. Okay, got it? Type yes if you understand. Okay, good. Okay, so for those graduates, those new graduates, go back and watch the webinar in the past. Okay, I believe okay, or I will do an interest rate recording for you all later, a short recording. Hey, by the way, do you all like this short videos that I do? I think the feedback has been good. Hey, wow, very good. Like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, sometimes within 2-3 minutes only, but very short videos, almost like it's good. Okay, sometimes you talk about different things and things like that. It's quite interesting. Okay, so now let's go back to the markets. Okay, let's go back to the markets. Yeah, so okay, let's say make a market. So if risk on again, what are the things to look at? If risk on again, what are the things to look at? Okay, same thing. Go back to the you see here, right? If risk on again, what are the things to look at? Cyclicals, technology. Do you follow? Okay, industrial. This will be the sector to look at again. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Like, yes, if you understand. Okay, I'm not saying that energy is no good. Okay, energy has been good for a while already. Yes or no? Okay, energy will come later. Okay, does it mean energy will not go up? I believe that energy will still go up. But if let's say when the risk on again, the first to recover, this will be the first to drop. Yes or no? Remember we talked about technology, these are the first to drop. Okay, energy quite resilient. Type yes if you understand. This down wave, energy was quite resilient compared to technologies. They have dropped a lot. Yes or no? So right now, if the risk on again, then this will recover. Energy will be a bit lagging compared to technology. What is risk on? Risk on meaning to say, okay, so the market has what we call risk on and risk off. Okay, when it's risk on, that means to say that people want to take on risk. Okay, take on risk. Okay, more looking for growth and things like that, more bullish. When we are risk off, right, then means they say, oh, market very scary right now. Better be defensive, things like that. Then what are things that look at is risk off. Then we look at staples, healthcare, utilities, energy. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. Okay. Got it? So next, another thing to watch out. Remember in somewhere in October, I even posted in the Facebook group. Yes or no? I even posted in the Facebook group. During October, a lot of people wanted to what? A lot of people wanted to what? A lot of people wanted to short. Type yes if you remember. I also posted in the Facebook group, right? I say that when everybody want to short, I want to be more careful. Yes or no? I post up 5th of October, I think. I say, okay, very short, I don't want to short already. Oh, I put before, right? Okay. When is that? I forgot. But y'all saw that, right? When everybody was short in October, remember or not? Oh, in October, when everybody wanted to short, then need to be careful. Okay. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Okay, I cannot find. Okay. You can just search my post. Okay, just say short. Okay, then you can search my post. Search by Collin. Search post by Collin. Then you can see all these are the scan results. Okay, I remember 4th October. Remember I say everyone want to short. I very scared to short. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. That's 4th October. Okay. 4th October, right? Okay. I mentioned, right? If everyone short, I zao already, don't short already. Okay. So I posted already this time around. Okay, you can scan like that. Okay. Okay. So right now on hindsight, since October, it has went out how long? Since 4th October. 4th October is since here. It has went up here, I think it's third, because we need to calculate US time, right? That until here already went up 10% already. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so coming back again, yeah, so risk on, well, I think so. China tech stocks. Do y'all see the China tech stocks? Like Pinduoduo, all this, right? Do y'all see the China tech stocks? Okay. Weekly charts turn already. Yes or no? Type yes, you can see. Oh, turn already, yeah. Okay, become bullish, breaking out already. Yes or no? Okay. So from here onwards, mode is turned to what? Mode is turned to bullish. Yes or no? That yes, if you understand. Then from daily charts, you can see from here onwards. Right now, arrow with teeth happen already now. Okay. Arrow with teeth happen already. Got it? That yes, if you understand. Okay. So understand some of the stocks has a turn. Okay. Even though the narrative is good or bad, the tech narrative, I think still bad. Yes or no? Bam, something still bad. Yes or no? China, good or bad, the narrative. Narrative means to say what's the news. The news still bad. Recently, maybe 1-2 weeks become good. Yes or no? Or 1-2 weeks become good. But generally still bad. Right not? Okay, they'll say, oh, still bad. But you have to understand that again, stock market is not the news. Got it? It's not the news. So you need to see the reaction to the news. Got it? Okay. So yeah, I was just sharing with some of them, right? I think I also shared this before, but never mind, I repeat, right? Guys, China open already or not? That means people can travel, can spend, can travel. Yes or no? Cannot yet, right? You know, imagine you are from China, okay, and you're trapped for almost 3 years already. Oh, and you are middle class. That means you're not, you got middle class. Oh, you're middle class. And right now, what is the most important thing you want to do right now? You're trapped for 3 years. You cannot spend money. You got to buy grocery every time. No point buying luxury goods because nobody will show off to. What do you want to do? You want to travel. You want to spend money. Besides protest, guys. You want to travel and spend. Yes or no? Okay, it's very simple. It's very simple. Just imagine ourselves during that period when we cannot travel that time. What do we want to do? Same thing. We want to travel, we want to spend. Wow, air ticket, double the price. Do you still buy? Do you still go and travel? Yes, yes or no? You don't care, because why? Life is short, right? You know, what if it close again? Yes or no? So people will just spend. And have you seen people, have you seen Chinese people spend money? Oh, they go luxury goods, no limit one. Yes or no? Oh, so they haven't actually show their power yet. Yes or no? Okay. You go to outlet, 这个不要, everything I want. Okay. Do you follow what I'm saying? Oh, so they haven't, the money haven't come back in. Do you follow what I'm saying? So it is, if you zoom out, it's quite easy to understand. Right now, the manufacturing in US, is it good or bad? Actually bad, yes or no? Because all the people who wanted to spend already. Yes or no? Like yes, if you understand. That's why there was a big bump after when it started to open up, and then right now everybody slowed down. Yes or no? Type yes if you understand. Okay, and then right now everybody very careful already. Yes or no? Okay, but so when China open up again, there will be another round of growth already. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. So there'll be a round of growth, and then when they see, oh, there's more growth, then what happened? Manufacturing. It's the same thing. It's a cycle. Got it? It's a cycle. So of course, this what I say just now is useless in terms of trading. Useless in terms of trading. At the end of the day, we want to trade the what? We want to trade the chart. Do you follow what I'm saying? At the end of the day, we want to trade the chart. Do you follow what I'm saying? That is the thing we want to trade. We are not trading the narrative. But you have to understand the big picture. Then if you go and understand the chart, then it make more sense. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. So inflation, let me ask you, inflation, do you think it will become no inflation? No lah. That yes, if you understand, inflation will still be there. Okay. Interest rate, guys, interest rate, do you think they will stop dropping? They will start to drop very fast? No lah. The answer is no. Okay. The answer is no. Guys, interest rate now is going to be up for a while. Do you follow what I'm saying? So interest rate is up for a while. Is good or no good for stocks? Good or no good for stock? Actually, it's all fail lah. It's good lah. I tell you, okay. Okay. Why must repeat again? I thought I repeated this before already. Why must repeat again? Okay. Repeat again. Never mind. Okay. Okay. So, guys, you must like able to understand we are not trading the economy. Understand or not? If you are trading the economy, and then it's easy. Okay. But I think it's good because let me do this. Okay, just one time, guys. I know, it's a repeat, okay, it's a repeat, but I think it's good to do this now because change already. Yes or no? Because change already, okay? So I think it is good idea to repeat, okay? So interest rate, right? It is good, okay? So we already mentioned this before. Let's try SMP. Okay, we already mentioned this before, right? That when so many people don't want me to repeat. Okay, never mind, don't repeat. Okay, y'all go and watch the recording, okay? Okay, anyway, okay, after interest rate increase, it is good. Okay. When must you be fearful? When must you be fearful, guys? Okay, Melina, tell me, when must it be fearful? When they reduce a little, okay? Before they reduce, what must happen? When must you be fearful in regarding interest rate? Is when they stop increasing. When they stop increasing, and when recession, guys. By the time recession market, okay. When they say, okay, everything is okay. We have controlled the inflation, growth is nicely up, is slow down, but is manageable. We will stop increasing interest rate now. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, when we stop increasing interest rate right now, then you need to be careful. Plus, minus 6 months to a year, market will come down already. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you got it. Okay? For those who understand, later I'll do a video one more time, okay? But I feel like every week I repeat the same thing a bit like too much. Yes or no? Okay? So when they stop increasing, when they say everything is okay, no more inflation is under control, growth is manageable, we don't need to it's not overheating, then you need to be careful. Do you follow what I'm saying? So coming back again, right now, do you think interest rate will continue to increase? That's why we mentioned, right? No, right? Because inflation will still be there. They will continue to increase rate, maybe at a slower rate, but they may continue to increase. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. So right now, relax now. Okay, got it. Okay, and also mentioned before, from the initial interest rate hike, usually about 6 months to even a year, the market will go up from the initial rate hike. The market will be fearful. But after that, from 2014 onwards, after the increase, the market goes up. Okay. 2004, also same thing, market goes up and the interest rate. Got it? Okay, so anything else I want to share? Okay, so one more thing I'll share is oil stocks. Okay, oil stocks, you can see, right? Some of the oil stocks has pulled back. Yes or no? If you see Diamond Energy, these are oil stocks. Yes or no? Okay, oil stocks out there has pulled back. If you go to NYSE, some of the oil stock has also pulled back. Okay, Diamond Energy. Okay, and all energy stocks are. Got it? Type yes, you can see all the this one OXY, all the stocks has pulled back. Okay, this is pullback, but not downtrend. Type yes if you got what I say. This is not downtrend. This is all pullback. Okay, so you can see all these stocks has pullback, but not downtrend. Okay, not downtrend. So you can it's still okay. If you are a bit longer term, Devon Energy is pullback. Okay, pullback, still uptrend. Got it? Okay. So how does it come into the narrative again? When people start to spend, they say oil demand for oil. Yes, so it will come back again. But the last few weeks, it dropped. Yes or not? But longer term, it's still on track. In fact, a lot of them have swing trade setup. Yes or no? That yes, if you understand, a lot of them have swing trade setup right now. Okay, so do take a look if you want to do swing trade for oil possible. Okay, so summarize again. Okay, I don't want to make it too long for the public, right? Summarize again. Risk on, possible risk on till end of the year. I think this risk on may last for a while until when? If let's say if next week they say, okay, we're going to reduce slow down the increase, do you think market will go up or down? What do you think? Depends. Why I say depends? It depends, right? Depends whether this week and next week whether market goes up or not. If market goes up in anticipation of the slower rate hike, then you will have what happened? Buy on rumor, sell on news. Do you follow what I'm saying? So when they say officially, okay, we're going to do 0.5% increase, there may be a short-term pullback. Type yes if you understand. That means this week, next week, they start to buy the market, they start to long. So when they officially say, oh, we're going to increase, there may be a short-term pullback. So for those people who have not get in, use that short-term pullback to get in. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. So the stock market is a bit confusing because normally it reduces good and ground. Okay, so after that, then it will have a longer run again. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. So you are trading human psychology. You are not trading the news. You're not trading the economy. You're trading human psychology. Okay, human psychology want to make money okay, from news. Correct? Okay, so yeah, I think that's about it for the market. What are the manufacturing? So no need to look at manufacturing. Manufacturing will be later. Okay, manufacturing will be here. So now what are the things to look at? Cyclical technology. So they ask yourself, okay, what are the stocks? What are the stocks that were very affected during the pullback? China tech stocks. Yes or no? China tech stocks, they had double whammy, right? China and tech. So these are the stocks that were very affected. Of course, just now we got talk about all the teams like Shopify, all the different teams. Okay, so if what you can look at is right now, if risk on again, what you can look at are the what? The growth stocks. Yes or no? Okay, the growth stocks, and then looking at that coming into the market again. Okay, got it? Same, Ethereum, all the same. Okay, Ethereum is considered growth stocks. Okay. Yeah, manufacturing, basic material, all these are under here, aluminium, all these are under here. Okay. those that don't understand the Fed rate increase and the stock price, I tell you what, I do this for the public. Okay, I do this video, but I'll post it in the public's group also. So next time I just refer to that video. Okay, good idea, right? Okay. So any other question, public? You have any question? Okay, today free for all. Graduate can also ask any question you have. Okay. No question. Okay, just one advertisement time. Okay. For those that are not in our SMT graduate group, okay, come and join us in our SMT graduate, part of our SMT graduate. Okay. Let's do something different. What should we do? I don't have any. Okay, I'm very not creative. Okay, type type join SMT if you recommend SMT to the public. Join SMT lah. Okay, don't always SMT. Join SMT. Okay, so you can see. Thank you, Bernard. Thank you. Who else? Lindsay, Ju Wong, Agnes, Dan Chu Ming, Wong Sok Ling, Thomas. Yeah, hey Thomas, good to see you. Wong Wei Han. This is who are CBD Properties, who Malaysian. I forgot your name suddenly. Shucks. Ong Pei Eng. Later I remember. Okay. Winston Chang, Elvin, Chandra, Edmund, Carl, Chu, Steve. Hi Steve. Janice, Woon Seng, YE. Kelvin, okay, a lot, okay. Denise, hi Denise, Mary, Wong Sok Ling, lai. Okay, and okay, Edmund, okay. Maybe you should think of some new way to encourage public to join. Guys, the thing is like that. All these, Adrian, yes, Adrian. Okay, shucks, I forget. All these people got no incentive for you to join, yes or no? Because they are already graduates already. You join, don't join, also no different to them. In fact, they join maybe not so good for them because more community, maybe less attention for them, yes or no? Okay, but I share with you, I don't want to spend my time doing marketing. You know, I'm good. Like everybody shout durian good, very hard, yes or no? So I rather people eat durian already, then recommend their friend. It's much easier for me. Okay, so for those that are not in the SMT graduate, come and join us. Okay, hi YE, Chris, Julian, Wilson, all this. Okay, good. Thank you very much. Okay, guys. Even for the public, there are some. Okay, so for the public, I want to share with you one thing. Okay, don't get deceived lah. Sometimes I see a bit kick sim, okay, because guys, do you all know that hit rate, right, is very easy to do? Type yes if you know. Let's say example, they say, oh, I can do 90% hit rate strategy. Please follow me. It is very easy to get 90% hit rate. Do you understand what I'm saying now? Type yes if you type yes or no if you understand or don't understand. How can you do a 90% hit rate? How many want to know? Okay, it's very easy, guys. Okay, so let's say I look at any chart. Look at look at Hang Seng Index. Okay, so if I were to just do a trade, okay. Hit rate is not important, okay? Not important. Why? If I do a trade and my trade idea is like that, my trade idea is if you make example, I make extreme so that it become funny, okay? I make extreme so that it become funny. It's let's say example, Hang Seng Index. If I make 10 points, I take profit. My stop loss is 10,000 points. Do you think I can make money? Do you think I can have 10%, 90% risk reward ratio? Yes lah. Yes. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. That means every time go up 10 points, I take profit. Every time 10 times, I take profit. My stop loss is 10,000 points. I will sure make money. Do you follow what I'm saying? At any point of time, I buy. Any point of time I buy, I will make money. Yes or no? Let's say even if let's say I buy here. Okay, I buy here. The will go up 10 points, sure. I buy here, you go up 10 points, yes. If I buy here, go up 10 points, yes. If I buy here, will go up 10 points, yes. Every time I will be able to go up 10. Let's say example, one very extreme one. They say, okay, the guy very sway, got in maybe at the highest point. Yeah, then maybe he will get wrong. But eventually, if you have this kind of strategy, it's very likely that you get 99% hit rate. Do you follow what I'm saying? But it is not a profitable strategy. Got it? It's not a profitable strategy. But you're focusing on the hit rate. Do you follow what I'm saying? So hit rate, what do you mean by hit rate? That means you buy here, okay, you go up 10 points, you make money, your stop loss 10,000 points. Do you follow what I'm saying? So then in that case, it's a negative risk-reward ratio. Chances are you buy any point of time, it will have a 10-point rise. Do you follow what I'm saying? If your stop loss is 10,000 points. If you can hold, okay. Or another way of saying, okay, no stop loss, zero stop loss, okay, make extreme, and 10-point stop. Sure, you any way you buy, you should make money. Do you follow what I'm saying? But is it a profitable strategy? The answer is no. Do you follow what I'm saying? So don't just be so engrossed in hit rate. Okay? And a lot of other things I don't want to mention. But you understand that trading is not about hit rate. Got it? It's not about hit rate. Okay, this one is a lot of people who don't trade one will say, I thought hit rate very important. Okay. Do you follow what I'm saying? Like, yes, if you understand when is our next course? Good question. I don't know actually. Oh yeah, just go to this link and sign up. I actually don't know. Okay. I 负责 is add value to community. That's my job lah. Okay, I go to this link CollinSeow.com/SWB. Then they will let you know when. Okay. Okay, guys. If not, then one more thing. Maybe just go about Hang Seng. Hang Seng, did I tell you all that Hang Seng can buy already? Type yes if I mentioned like the last week, last month, I got mentioned already, right? Yes or no? Hang Seng can buy already. No need to wait. So I draw this before. Yes or no? I draw this thing before. Even I think non-graduate should also know I draw this before. Yes or no? I say that, hey, we are worse than Asian financial crisis, SARS, global financial crisis. This is like what extreme, right? Yes or no? So buy already. Okay, is it too late for Hong Kong? No. Okay, do you think it's too late for Hong Kong to buy in for long term? In my opinion, no. Okay, in my opinion, no. Okay, we are still early. Okay, so if you want to go a better entry, you can. What is a better entry? Go to daily swing, look for the pullback. Yes or no? The time where there was a pullback here, and then it can pull back again. Okay, if not, then let's say bye to the public. We need to go do our weekly webinar proper already. Okay, thank you. See you, and bye to the public. Okay, come and join us if you have not joined us. Okay, see you. Bye. Okay, let's have our meeting. Okay?